Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the host and guest meet essential prerequisites, then act immediately. Verify the host has available CPU, RAM, and disk space, and that virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI. Once done, confirm the hypervisor service is running and reachable. Make sure you pull the relevant logs from both host and guest with timestamps so you can correlate events. Collect the error code or message. This gives a clear direction for the follow-up remediation steps. Now diagnose methodically. Correlate the error with your collected logs and known causes such as resource exhaustion, driver mismatches, or snapshot corruption. If resources are tight, increase CPU or RAM and move disks to local fast storage. If drivers or paravirtual devices fail, switch temporary to emulated devices and reboot the guest. Apply guest additions or integration tools updates and install hypervisor patches. When recent changes coincide with failures, roll back to a stable snapshot and validate operation before reapplying. Finish by confirming the VM boots and runs expected workloads. Run health and smoke tests to ensure stability. Make sure to document every configuration change, create a fresh recovery snapshot, and enable monitoring alerts so future regressions are detected early. If the problem persists, increase log verbosity and capture extended diagnostics, then reproduce the failure while collecting those logs. If you still cannot resolve it, escalate to vendor support with logs and reproduction steps. This speeds targeted troubleshooting and reduces downtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.